In this video, we are going to see how we can set Google as the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. It is very simple to do, so let's jump right in. So by default, whenever you want to use Microsoft Edge, you will notice that Bing is the default search engine that is associated with it. But if you want to change it, just click on this top right hand corner on the three dots. And from here, we will click on the settings. Once we are in the settings, on the left hand corner, we see this privacy, search and services. Click on that. And from here, we see a section at the last that says search and connected experiences, manage Edge search, connected experience and services. There we want to go and click on address bar and search. Click on this and it says the search engine used in address bar is by default set to Bing. We want to change this to Google. That's it. If we go back, just make sure once that it is set. And now if we open the Edge browser and you want to change this search box to address bar. And now whenever I search something like, let's say hi, it always go to the Google search. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.